Today's the day. Got everything in the backpack. We got the handlebars. We got tank lift. We got a bunch of other stuff. Today's the day we're gonna throw it on. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're going over to my buddy's house. My buddy who helped me put the crash bar on towards the end of the video. And he's gonna help me put all the parts on because he's just that good. He's done it on 2 different Harleys already, both his, and everything's came out really well. So I figured who better to help me than him, you know? So we'll check in with you guys when we get there. What's up?
What's up, man? Finally.
Yeah, let's get started. You ready? Got the bars off. Got the new ones. We're gonna attempt to run the wires internally through the bars, but it's not looking good for right now. But we're still gonna give it a shot. And if not, I'll just have to order some extensions to be able to get the wires through. We'll check back in later. bars on. Got them internally wired. There's enough cable. Got the ignition and the coil relocated. Just got a few more things to button up. When we get food, come back, finish it up.
A lot of boring math later.
Got the bars on. Bars, grips, tank, relocated the ignition and the coil. So you can take it for a little ride around our big block here out in the country. Just see how everything feels. Make sure nothing's loose. But yeah, it went pretty easy for the most part. I mean, my buddy did most of it. I just kinda watched and helped with wrapping some of the wires, but it's really hard to get two people working on a small bike like this. So I really appreciate him, and his help went a long way. It helped a lot more stress than I would have had, or helped having a lot less stress. We were able to internally wire the bars, which was a concern of ours. Going from the, I think it was 10-inch bars on the iron to 14, it's a 4-inch jump, just making sure there was enough. It was a big concern that I would have to go out and get wire extenders, but I'm glad that we didn't have to. We were able to get it done. Geez, I think I was there at 9 o'clock this morning, and we just finished up, buttoning everything up, put the caps on at, I don't even know what time it is. Just afternoon, maybe like 1 o'clock, I'm not too sure. But yeah, it was pretty easy for the most part. Oh, so these are Road 6. Oh, hold on. I figured I just explain what the bars are. I don't think I even mentioned it. Road 6 custom, 14-inch Holy Roller, ape hangers. I was gonna get the 12-inch, that way I wouldn't have to worry about the internally wiring of the bars, but I'm glad I went with the 14s. And we moved the mirror down here too, so they're not up so high up here. It's alright, can't really see much, just really my shoulder, but I don't even know if you can see, but yeah, just really see my shoulder right there. I'm happy with it. Definitely a lot more comfortable. More of an upright position, not really lean forward with the smaller bars. And just doing a shakedown right now and see if there's anything a little loose, if anything comes loose while riding. So, check back in a little bit. Just wanted to check back in. We did take off the directionals for now from up here. I did get relocation brackets, cheap ones up from China, that were supposed to go on the forks, but it turns out they didn't really work the way I wanted them to, so we just took them off for now. Just gonna find different brackets that fit better on this bike, and then we'll put it back on. But for now, we just don't have front directionals. We do have the rear directionals, so people can see where we're going, so we're staying safe. Alright, we'll finish this. Maybe check back in before we get back home. Alright, we'll see you later. Oh, another thing that I did that I just wanted to fill you in on is we got these pegs. They're Cross Thread Industries, I think. Pegs, like MX pegs. They got the grips on there that are going to keep my feet on the pegs a lot better than the stock Harley ones. I'd recommend them. Kind of middle of the road kind of price, not bad. They work just as good, if not better, than the stock Harley pegs, so I'm pretty happy with it. Alright, so we're almost home. I'll check back in when we get there. Made it home. I don't know how much of the bike you can see. I know the super view in the GoPro, see how well it is, but bars, ignition coil relocation, the dirt bike grips. Here's the pegs. Pretty nice. We got our tank lift. We got everything cleaned up underneath. All the wires are tucked. Everything looks good. So I don't really know what's going on next, but we'll check in with you later. Thanks for watching.